Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look for you guys. I used my Wet n Out Wild palette, the Not a Basic Peach palette. So if you guys want to see how I made this look, you just have to stick around and I'll give you all the details on this beautiful fresh spring look. I already did a makeup tutorial using this palette before, so I'm going to link it down below as usual. It's gonna be a thought through because I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's some construction outside right now and it's annoying, so this is why I was still wanted to do a intro and outro. So this is the look, and if you guys can see my hair, I was inspired by Kim K's look yesterday at the Met Gala. Actually, I'm gonna post this one Wednesday, so it'll be like Monday's look that she had at the Met Gala. Yeah, so if you guys want to see the tutorial, just stick around. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done, my eyelids are set with concealer. You want to take your palette first and you want to take your blending brush. I'm going to blend the crease with that orangey color. You want to put it right in the crease and a little bit above it also. So you want to blend, blend, blend. And you want to do the same thing to the other eye, of course. So right in the crease and a little bit above. So next we're going to take that cinnamon brownish color and we're going to put it in the crease. Of course, you always go a little bit by a little bit, like I always do. And then you want to put it all the way into the inner corner, to the outer corner, and also all the way on the lid. And you want to do the same thing to the other eye. Blend in a crease all the way through the eye, from the inner corner to the outer corner, and all the way all in the lid. You always want to make sure both of your eyes are similar. And next I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take that really dark brown color that's in the palette and I'm going to pack it on my lid. You can always put a base if you have one, like a brown liquid liner, to have it for it to pop a little bit more if you really want to. For me, I just put the eyeshadow on and it was smoky enough, so I liked it like that. So you just want to shape it with your eyeshadow brush, and also use your fingers if you need to, just to really pack it on. And then after, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to take a little bit of the darker color, the brown one, and put it in the crease so everything blends together. If you want it to be darker, you take the brown shade, but if you want it to be lighter, you take the tungsten color, and everything will be seamless and with no harsh lines. So again, with the other eye. And after you blend, of course, you can always go back with a bit more of the brown color, just because sometimes the blending kind of takes off the smokiness of the color. Just like that. Now for the face, I took my Shine Killer by NYX as a primer. And then I take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in number 340. Of course, everything will be down below if you need any products. You want to know what I used exactly, the color shade and everything. I'm going to put it all over my face. I also use a little bit of the 355 like I always do. And then I'm just going to blend it with my foundation brush. So just make sure everything is well blended. You also want to do your neck, of course. For my concealer, I use my Fit Me concealer like I always do. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. I'm gonna clean the edges of the eyeshadows that we did before. Just make sure it's really clean. I'm gonna do the nose, the chin, and the forehead. and also around my nose because it's a bit darker lately, and around my mouth, just so everything is well highlighted. I'm just gonna blend with a dome brush. And to set everything, I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and put it everywhere I put my concealer right before. I put most of it on my cheeks because that's where I get really oily, which is weird, but this is where I put most of the powder. For my contour, I took my Anastasia contour kit, and I take like the cool tone and the darker tone to do my to bronze up my face, just so it's not too warm, because the dark color can be a bit more like orange sometimes I find. So I mixed the two. I'll put it on my nose also, and I put just a little bit. For my lower lash line, I take the really dark brown color that we use on the lid. I'm gonna put it on the 3/4 into my eye. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take that turquoise blue color. You really want to pack it on because it wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be, but it still turned out really great. You can always wet it, I guess, if you want to. I didn't wet it, and it turned out like that. And then I take my blending brush and I take that orange color, I'll put in a crease just to blend everything in. I did do liquid liner. I didn't record it though, but I did a really thin line just so I have a base for my lashes later. And then I took a pencil kohl liner for my eyes. As a mascara, I use my L'Oreal telescopic mascara that I used in my previous videos. I just put the smallest coat because I don't need much. Because anyways, like I said, I'm gonna put false lashes. And for my highlight, I use my Master Chrome, of course, by Maybelline. I really love it. I just can't put it down. And then I highlight my nose, my cheeks. And I'm also gonna do the forehead. For my lips, I use my Cork lip liner by MAC because I really wanted a nude lip, so I'm gonna line it with this, and then I'm gonna fill it in. And for my lipstick, I use a L'Oreal lipstick. The name will be down below, of course. And just setting my face with my Urban Decay all-nighter. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So I popped on my lashes and I did my bottom lashes also using my L'Oreal telescopic mascara, the same one I use for my upper lashes, and I use my Kiss number 11 lashes. This is the finished look, so I really like it. Honestly, it's really nice, like smoky but with a pop of color, and I really love this palette. It's my second look with this one, as you guys know. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And yeah, and I love the hair, and I love everything about it. Sorry I didn't like film the hair part, but it's really easy. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I can always do one for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments, and I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, just put a like, comment down below, because I love answering your comments. You guys have been coming through a little bit more and talking to me, and I love that part of YouTube. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed, because my videos are awesome, seriously. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. I'll probably film one for Sunday, so it'll be like my second video of the week again. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.